Hey, what's up, everyone? Imagine getting a notification the exact second Morgan Wallen adds a new tour date, while everyone else finds out minutes later or even hours later. By the time they hear about it, you already have tickets. That's exactly what artist tracking does. So first, go to any artist page on Ticketmaster. Let's take Harry Styles as an example and open the ProTickets Chrome extension. As you can see, we're not tracking this artist yet. All you need to do is scroll down and click Start Tracking. Once the button turns green, ProTickets starts monitoring the artist 24/7. Right now, Harry Styles has 75 events. If that number increases, you'll receive an instant notification on Discord. That notification will look like this. You'll be sent directly to the new events channel, where you'll see the alert in real time. I highly recommend keeping Discord notifications enabled and, of course, joining our Discord server so you receive these alerts immediately. Back here, you can see the full list of artists that are currently being monitored 24/7. Once an artist is tracked, you don't need to do anything else. They'll stay on the list automatically. If no new events are added after 1 month, the artist will be removed automatically. This feature is designed to help you be the first to buy tickets when a new event drops, giving you a huge edge over other ticket resellers. I hope you enjoy this feature, and I'll see you in another video.